All right, so we're going to be talking about Unity game engine, which is where we're going to be creating our game. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to unity.com. I'm already here, but I'm just showing you step by step what we're doing. And this is the screen. Sometimes this screen changes. It's not always going to look the same because Unity changes it to make it, more engaging. So you'll either see download right here in the middle of the screen. And if you don't see it, you'll see it up here. But the first thing I want you to do is click on the person icon. And if you don't already have a Unity account, you're going to create one. You'll click create a Unity ID, enter your information, and then sign in. I already have one. So when I click sign in, my information is already there. I click sign in. This is just letting you know that Unity has changed some things on the 26th. And then you read it, click accept, and then here it is. Then you would click download. If you go to download, it gives you options. You can download for Windows or you can download on Mac. If you are downloading on Windows, you must have Windows 10 and you have to have 4 GB of RAM in order to be able to support Unity. And if you are downloading on Mac, you will have to have version 13 or better. And that's just what you're going to have. But also, if you want to, you can go to System Requirements. It says it right here. But over here, when I click to download, it showed up in the upper right-hand corner. I already have this downloaded, so I'm not going to add anything else to my computer, but this is what it would look like on yours. If you click on it and it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, you'll click yes and go on. But because I already have it downloaded, I'm going to, I don't need for it to make any changes to my device. So once you have downloaded Unity and you've created your account, you'll see plans and pricing. Unity Personal is free. And because we're just creating a simple game and we're not, trying to do anything, overly fancy, we're just going to go ahead and click download now. Take you back right here. Once you've downloaded, you'll be able to get to your Unity Hub. And that will look like one of these symbols once everything is downloaded. So I'm going to give you some time to do that and check out our next video to see where we're going next.